Hey guys, Aaron Vanderveen here with Sherwood Dodge, and today behind me I have a brand new 2020 Ram 1500 Sport. Now, this vehicle does come with your Sport Appearance package. You've got your paint match bumpers in the front along with your Sport Appearance hood. Now if you're coming to the side here, it does come with your blind spot detection and your heated mirrors as well. And if you look at the door handle here, it does come with your keyless entry. Now, one nice feature I'd like to point out is your electronic running boards that pop out when you open the door. Now if you're making your way to the back, you do come with your tie downs, your easy drop tailgate with your rear camera, of course, and your deploy on the step side. Now, if you guys want to follow me to the inside, I'll show you a couple more features. All right, guys, now that we're inside the 2020 Ram 1500, I'd like to show you a couple more features. One major thing I'd like to point out is the nice safety features here with your adaptive cruise control and your cruise control as well. Now, moving to the 12-inch screen here, you do have your lane keep and your park assist as well. Now, this vehicle does come equipped with your heated seats, heated steering wheel, and your vented seats on both the driver and passenger side. Now, down here, you do have your wireless charging pad and a customizable center console with tons of storage in the bottom and an extra USB port underneath. Now in the rear, it does come with heated seats as well. And if you're looking at the back window, it does have an electronic sliding rear window with your defrost as well for the winter. And it also comes equipped with a panoramic sunroof. Now, if you guys have any questions about this beautiful 1500, please give me a call at 780-729-5517. Thank you for your guys' time today, and I hope to hear from you soon.